Good morning, students. Today, once again, let me see the next exercise of chapter number 2, that is only based on the identities. Most of the identities we have covered in class 8, but a few, whatever the new are here, that we have discussed today, and keep in mind that the identity with three terms Q has been removed from the syllabus, so we people will not go through the sum of three terms whole cube. We will do the terms only which are included in the syllabus. So today is the turn of exercise 2.5, which is only regarding the algebraic identities. Correct? So you people have gone through the identities in class 8. The first one I am writing here, A plus B whole square is equal to, it means that first term plus second term whole square equal to first term whole square plus second term whole square plus 2 times first into second term. Now second identity with negative sign, it is A minus B whole square. You people are familiar with the identities. A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Clear? Then after, third one is A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. These are our class 8 standard related identities. Fourth one is X plus A into X plus B is equal to first term, the variable term X whole square plus bracket A plus B into variable term X plus A into B. Depends on the sign that we have taken here. Next, fifth one is here, A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Clear, everybody? So this is our next identity. Clear? Up to chapter number 5, there were certain identities I have written here. Now, one more identity I am going to write on here. That is 6-word identity here. That is regarding the expanded form of the algebraical identities. That is A minus B whole cube is equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. This is a symbol we have to read for here. But you people have to see the identity number 5 and 6 can also be written as, this can be further written as A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. In textbook sometimes this type of identity is written, but here in this factor there is a product sign coming, so we have to also multiply. The mean of this and this will remain as it is. It will remain same. A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square. So these are the identities regarding the cube. Then after seventh one is A plus B plus C whole square. This identity is in the syllabus and it is known by the name expanded form. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into first second term plus 2 into second third term plus 2 into third first term product. So these are the identities. Now while looking all these identities, we people will go through the solution of exercise 2.5 which is given here and whatever the queries were asked by you people. So let me start from exercise number 2.5. Question number 1 here. The first question is 1. First part, x plus 4 into x plus 10. This is the question here. Now what can we do? Which identity can be used here using x plus a into x plus b? You can compare. It is a and this number is a b. You can see. So it is nothing but first term square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So we have to refer all these here. So let me see in the solution. A value is equal to 4 and b value is equal to 10. So use this identity, we are getting x square, means x is only as x here plus a plus b means 4 plus 10 bracket x plus a into b 4 into 10. So this will come x square plus 40x plus 40. So you will get the answer as it is x square plus 14x plus 40. Now, any other doubt in this was question number 4. Question number 4 was asked by the student y square plus 3 by 2 bracket into y square minus 3 by 2. So what you people are assessing from here, that in this question the format of the question is given as first term plus second term into first term minus second. Means it is of the type a plus b into a minus b. It is nothing but equal to a square minus b square. So I will write here solution a square. A is the first term, this one, y square whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square, that will give me the sum as y raised to power 4 minus 9 by 4. This will be the solution of the identity as a plus b into a minus b. So you people come on this conclusion. So this is the solution of the question number 1 here. Understood everybody? So let me see one of the question in question number 2. Yes, in question number 2, first part is given here 100 3 into 107. So I can write it as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. So you can compare it with x plus a into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So this will be the right identity to solve this type of question. So let me see what will happen. X is equal to 100. So that the whole will approach to x square, means x square will come 100 raised to power 2 plus a plus b, means 3 plus 7 into 100 plus a into b, means 3 into 7. So this will come 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 21. So after all these people can add all these. This is the answer after adding all these. So you people can do the multiplication while seeing all these. How I have arranged the term. And after that, the solution is here. Now let me go for question number 3. Question number 3 here. Factorize, use identity and factorize. We have to make the use of identity and factorize. First part is here, 9x squared plus 6xy plus y square. This is the question here. Firstly, my dear students, what to do? We have to write the question in the standard form as a square plus b square plus 2ab or a square plus b square minus 2ab type. So square term here and here is coming. So I am going to write 9x square plus y square plus 6xy. This way it's coming. Now I can make them as a perfect square. How? 9x square can be written as 3x whole square plus y whole square, means a square plus b square plus 2 times a is 3x and b is y. This question is coming in comparison with a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this is nothing but equal to a plus b whole square. So this answer will further goes to as a plus b means 3x plus y whole square, or you people can write 3x plus y into 3x plus y. This will be the appropriate solution of this type of question with a square plus b square plus 2ab type. For the third question I am going to do on the same. Third part, some queries were noted down from your side. X square minus y square over 100. Firstly, we people have to judge of what type of question is given. ये क्वेश्चन हमारे पास किस टाइप में दिया है? ये क्वेश्चन को अगर मैं देखूं, फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर माइनस सेकंड टर्म स्क्वायर, मींस इट इज कंपाइल्ड विद a square minus b square टाइप. So this is equal to a plus b into a minus b type. Clear everybody? So you people have to comment to memory. This is an important fact here using identity. Clear? So a square minus b square is given is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So that will go to a plus b means x whole square I can write minus y over 10 whole square. It can be written as in a standard form I am writing a square minus b square. So this will be equal to be x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. One time with the positive sign and one time with the negative sign. This will be the solution that you people have to find out here. Clear everybody? So this was the thought regarding how can we factorize the given questions while using any standard identity. After making the use of the identity, we people came to the verification of this one is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now next is the most important question that we are going to attempt now. That is expand. What we call it as expand. In pure Hindi we will say प्रसार. इसको जितना भी हम spread करना चाहते हैं we can expand it. Question number 4. Question number 4 is given as expand. First part I am taking here. I think I will do two parts, then it will be better for you people. Second part I am writing x 2x minus y plus z whole square. So it can be written as first term square plus second term whole square plus third term whole square plus 2 into a 2x b minus y plus 2b c plus 2c a. So the terms I am going to underline means the product form of the number is there. So that will be equal to 4x square plus y square plus z square. Now 1, 2, 3. Three terms, one is negative, so finally negative. 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. Now here you can write 4zx also. Sometimes the 4zx is written sometimes 4xz, but the better way to form it is proper arrangement of the alphabets order. पहले x आता है फिर y फिर z, तो 4xz will be the better way. Okay, if zx will be there, no problem will arise there. What is it? So don't confuse. The answer has given this way, in the book it is given another way. So you people should be properly satisfied. Now this is our second part. Next I can start. Fractional, rational type of number. Which type of number? A rational number I can choose here. So what is the rational type of number you having? 1 by 4. You go to the sixth part. 1 by 4a, 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. That is the type a plus minus b plus minus c whole square, which expanded form of 3 terms. So it will be equal to a square, 1 by 4a whole square plus minus 1 by 2 b whole square plus c 1 whole square plus 2 into a 1 by 4 a b minus 1 by 2 b 2ab. Here it is together 2ab plus 2b c 1 2bc plus 2c 1 ab bc ca. Now in the bracket part we have to find the product or the numbers which should be cancelled out. We have to search them. It's not a very tough job. It will be 1 by 16 a square plus 1 by 4 b square plus 1. Now 4 2 and 2 will get out minus 1 by 4 ab. Now again minus sign will come, 2 and 2 will cut, minus b then 1 by 2 a. This is the answer. You people have gone through this one. Yes? If you people are going the expanded form properly, then it is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Clear? Sometime in the next question, we people will be given the expanded form, but from the expanded form we have to find the question. हमको आंसर दिया होगा, एक्सपांड करके हमको वहां से क्या फाइंड करना रहेगा, उसका क्वेश्चन फाइंड आउट करना रहेगा बेटा. उसमें भी हमारे पास ट्रिक है, वो हम देख सकते हैं यहां से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हाट्स इन दैट? फैक्टराइज factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. The question, it says you can see the curved line mentioned numbers should have been perfect square number. So it can be written as 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus 4z whole square. Now in our hand a, b, c, all three terms are in our hand. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2a b 2ab plus 2b c 2ab 2bc 2ca. These are the terms that we have arranged by making the first three terms as perfect square. Clear? So it is coming of the type a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This result is nothing but is equal to a plus b plus c whole square के इक्वल ये रिजल्ट होता है. अब मेरे पास यहाँ से a क्या बेटा 2x प्लस b कितना है 3y प्लस c 4z whole square. Now we people have to see the sign. Where is the negative sign coming? Yes, yz is here, xz is here. So which number is the same z? So the term of z will be negative. Which term of z वाली जो टर्म है वो मेरे पास क्या होगी बेटा नेगेटिव होगी. सो आई कैन चेंज द साइन विद द टर्म z. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द रूल टू आइडेंटिफाई द नंबर Clear? So that term is with negative sign, and this whole expression having the power 2 means it can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. 2 times the number is written as its product. Clear everybody? So this is the solution. Now second question was also given as a dot. दूसरे क्वेश्चन में बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मुझे डॉट बताया था, हम दूसरा भी करेंगे. Yes, the second question is 2x square plus y square plus a z square minus 2 under 2y plus 4 under 2yz minus axz. Now what can be the possibility to write the first three terms as the perfect square? This can be written as under 2x whole square plus y is y whole square plus 8z can be written as 2 under 2z whole square, means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2a into b, 2ab plus 2bc, 2ab, 2bc, 2c, 2ca, ab, bc and ca. So I am writing it as a plus b plus c whole square. First term plus second term plus third term whole square. Now with the negative sign lying in the question, you can see here and here xz and xy. So x term with the negative sign. This. So here again this term will be with the negative sign. I written here. So further it can be written as 2 times everybody. So this is a solution all about the expanded form and its adjusted form result. Clear everybody beta? So this type of question we can go through. Now question number 6 is there. And you people have to pay more attention on the identity based questions. So there is a write the cube of the following. Question number 6. Find cube of number 1 is whose cube I have to find out? 2x plus 1 whole cube. So what we get? Here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1. So we have to use a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab into a plus b. This identity we people have to make the use here. So solution first term plus second term plus 3 times 2x into 1 into 2x plus 1. This way we can solve it. It is coming 8x cube plus 1. Now here is the product coming plus 6x into 2x plus 1 here. So 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square inside the bracket plus 6x. So this is with the positive identity, and one question with negative identity I am going to do for you people, that is x minus fourth part, x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. So its solution also can be done here. First term cube minus second term cube minus 3ab into x minus 2 by 3 y. On the same way, these will have to follow x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube and 3 cut, so it will become 2xy into x minus 2 by 3 y. So this will come as x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube. Now multiply here, minus 2x power 2 y plus 4 by 3 x y square. Understood everybody? So this will be the right solution for these questions. Clear everybody? Now next is the cube of the following numbers. Numbers को हम कैसे प्रॉपर क्यूब में लिखें? Cube of the following number can be written as, let me go to question 7, 99 whole cube. It can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. So that is equal to first term cube minus second term cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 into 100 minus 1. Now add and subtract you people can do. So this will come 1 and 6 zeros. Minus 1 minus 300 into 100 minus the 1. So this will further go as minus 30,000 plus 300. Now you can add or subtract. इसको अब आप आगे ये और ये दो नंबर आप ऐड कर सकते हो, फिर उसमें से आप minus 30,001 उसमें से माइनस कर सकते हो, you will get the answer here. Clear? And the question is given to you people, because you people are doing none at home, you are sitting free. तो आप ये करिए, add or subtract you can do. Clear? Next one, then question number 8. Factorize number 1, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. This is the question standing here. Now what can we do? You just either square term or cube term. Then how can we write them? यहाँ पे मेरे पास क्यूब है, मैं लिखूंगा 2a होल क्यूब प्लस b होल क्यूब. ये आगे मेरे पास a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब, आगे क्या था प्लस 3a b. क्या बोला मैंने? a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab इंटू क्या होता है a प्लस b मीन्स 2a प्लस b. ये आइडेंटिटी यूज होगी मेरे पास, तो मैं लिख रहा हूँ a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab इंटू a प्लस b, दैट इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b होल क्यूब। इसका हमने यूज करना है यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी। So this will give me as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is nothing but it is equal to a plus b whole cube. A. This is the first term, a plus b whole cube, or 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. You will get the answer here. Got it बेटा? सभी को समझ लग गया। और इसका फिफ्थ पार्ट जो था वो सबसे ज्यादा दिक्कत वाला था आप लोगों के लिए। आई विल डू पार्ट नंबर 5 हियर। पार्ट नंबर 5। सर बहुत कठिनाई हो रही है पार्ट नंबर 5 में, वो आपको पता चल जाएगी अभी। p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4p। ये क्वेश्चन था। कौन सी टर्म को हम एज परफेक्ट क्यूब लिख सकते हैं? 27 के इट एज 3p होल क्यूब माइनस 1 by 6 होल क्यूब। ये बना a क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब माइनस 3ab a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b 3p minus 1 by 6। तो ये मेरे पास फर्स्ट किसके बराबर बनेगा? a minus b होल क्यूब मतलब 3p minus 1 by 6 का होल क्यूब और 3p minus 1 by 6 3p minus 1 by 6 3p minus 1 by 6। तो बच्चों ये आपके पास जो भी क्रूशियल डॉट्स आपने बताए थे आपको घर बैठे जो दिक्कत हो रही थी मैंने यहाँ पर कर दिया है। क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? अब आपके पास जो क्यूबिक की जो आइडेंटिटी है वो हम फर्दर डिस्कस करेंगे। उसमें से भी मैं अपनी तरफ से एक दो डॉट्स जो है वो आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगा और वो डॉट्स क्या है लेट मी सी। Next identity is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square। Clear everybody? This is the identity here. Second one is again further x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square। These are the two identities which are playing most important role here। Comment to memory, इसको भी याद रखना है आप लोगों को। और इस तरीके से हम कैसे ये वर्क कर सकते हैं लेट मी सी। One question in question number 10, it is given first part of the type 27y cube plus 125z cube। अब इसको मैं कौन से रिजल्ट में कन्वर्ट करना चाहूंगा या कर सकता हूं? ये भी a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब मतलब 3y होल क्यूब प्लस 5z होल क्यूब। ये किस टाइप का बन गया बेटा? a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब टाइप का बना है ये। इसका टाइप बन गया a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब टाइप। तो इसको हम लिखेंगे a प्लस b इंटू a स्क्वायर माइनस ab प्लस b स्क्वायर टाइप में लिख देंगे। और वो टाइप हमारे पास बनेगी, वो अभी मैं लिखने जा रहा हूं। a प्लस b ये a है और ये b है। 3y plus 5z into a square। It is coming 3y और स्क्वायर बनेगा 3y और 3y और स्क्वायर भी 9y और स्क्वायर माइनस ab 15y z plus second term square means 25z स्क्वायर। तो ये हमारे पास जो मिले जुले जो डॉट भी आप लोगों के लिए वो मैंने यहाँ से सॉर्ट कर दिए हैं। और 11, 12, 13 टाइप के जो भी क्वेश्चन है वो आप लोगों को यहाँ पर एज एलिमिनेटेड टॉपिक्स है वो हम करेंगे नहीं। क्यूबिक ऑफ द 3 टर्म, क्लियर मेरी बात? उसमें से आपको 11, 12, 13, 14 पार्ट नहीं करना है। आप यहाँ से अभी अगर हम देखें तो 16 पार्ट जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 की तरफ हम मूव कर सकते हैं, वो हमारे सिलेबस का पार्ट है, तो हम वहां से वो कर सकते हैं। पार्ट नंबर 16, इट इज गिवन फाइंड द पॉसिबल एक्सप्रेशन एंड इट्स डायमेंशन 3x cube square minus 12x. It is given as the volume. You know volume is the product of the 3 dimension length, breadth and height. So what is the possible common here? 3x. 3x is the common inside x minus 4. So what is the possible dimension? 3 हो सकता है dimension, ये 3x है, 3 भी हो सकता है, x भी हो सकता है और x minus 4 भी होता है possible dimension. Clear? So this all was about chapter 2, exercise 2.5. So I hope students, you all are doing the work seriously at home. If further any doubt arises, you can send me message, okay? Till then, goodbye, be safe, be healthy.